Starting around the 12th of May 2023, Theta organization especially is exchanging at 91 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.82% in most recent 1 hour in an essentially significant manner. Theta in every way that really matters has an all-out market cap of $907,647,069 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,610,143 amazingly. This truly makes Theta organization truly positioning at 48 in the digital currency market, which most certainly is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023. What will Theta organization most certainly be somewhat worth in 2023? Is Theta organization a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which basically is genuinely huge? Will Theta cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high? These generally are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta organization value expectation 2023 in an unobtrusive way. As per the Theta organization conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Theta cost in a real sense is supposed to cross a very normal value level of $1.15. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the truly current year ought to truly be $1.12 amazingly. Besides, Theta can really arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $1.29. Theta value estimate May 2023. The Theta organization gauge for May 2023 expects that the Theta may really arrive at a truly most extreme worth of 97 cents with a base cost of around 86 cents, which sort of is very critical. Discussing the typical value, Theta can generally stretch around 94 cents for May in an unobtrusive manner. Theta value conjecture June 2023. The Theta organization figure for June 2023 expects that the Theta may sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $1 with an especially least cost of around 93 cents. Or so they explicitly thought. Discussing the especially normal value, Theta can sort of stretch around 97 cents for June in a for the most part significant manner. Theta organization value expectation July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Theta organization cost truly is gauged to especially arrive at a particularly the most reduced cost of 95 cents. Certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking, the Theta cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme cost of $1.05 with the really normal expected cost around $1. Further appearance how this explicitly makes Theta organization especially positioning at 48 in the digital money market in a kind of significant manner. Theta organization value gauge August 2023. The by and large normal cost of Theta organization could for the most part go to $1.04 toward the finish of August 2023. Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking, Theta could sort of exchange around a kind of greatest worth of $1.09 with the base expected cost of $1, which generally is genuinely critical. Theta value conjecture September 2023. The Theta organization estimate for September 2023 expects that the Theta may especially arrive at a greatest worth of $1.13 with a base cost of around $1.03, or so they essentially thought. Discussing the sort of typical value, Theta can truly stretch around $1.07 for September in a genuinely significant manner. Theta organization value forecast October 2023. The cost of Theta organization truly is most certainly anticipated to truly reach at a genuinely least worth of $1.04 in October 2023, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. The Theta cost could for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $1.18 with the typical exchanging worth of $1.09 all through 2023, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta organization value estimate November 2023. The Theta organization cost for November 2023 may generally arrive at a genuinely least worth of $1.09 while the especially greatest gauge cost certainly is around $1.23, which truly is genuinely critical. The genuinely normal cost for Theta truly is really anticipated to reach $1.13 in November 2023 in a kind of significant way. Theta organization value expectation December 2023. Theta organization cost is supposed to basically reach between $1.12 to $1.29 in December 2023 while the typical cost of Theta for the December for the most part remains around $1.15. Theta organization kind of past value examination amazingly, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta network's cost generally has shown a for the most part great increment of 1.41% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. Theta organization generally is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The Theta generally is down to nearly 9.52% in the very most recent 7 days, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for past beautiful few days. The coin could generally major areas of strength for have, however. We don't essentially believe that it would a productive resource in lovely present moment, which certainly is very huge. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta generally diminished by 17.934%, disposing of an incredible truly normal amount of 20 cents from its kind of current worth, which truly shows that the Theta is down to nearly 9.52% in the kind of most recent 7 days in a sort of enormous manner. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent in a real sense purchase and open door for in every practical sense fast interest in an unobtrusive way. The 90 days cost change truly is near 10.22%, and the cost certainly coursed from a fundamentally least really normal cost of $1 to most extreme most certainly normal cost of $1.05 in the genuinely beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. In essentially most recent 4 months, Theta organization in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, which sort of is very critical. Subsequently, we generally imagine that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, which essentially is genuinely critical, as indicated by the especially the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Theta organization explicitly is expanded from 4 months, which basically is genuinely huge. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its value, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin sort of is up by 20.89%, with the greatest certainly normal cost of the coin was around 79 cents and the base typical cost of explicitly was around 76 cents in lovely beyond 4 months. So as per the Theta organization conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Theta cost essentially is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of $1.15. The normal kind of least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the truly current year ought to sort of be $1.12, which for the most part is very huge. Theta organization value figure 2023 FAQs. What will especially be Theta organization kind of worth in 2023 in a kind of large manner? The Theta cost generally is determined to arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $1.29 with really least cost of $1.12 toward the finish of 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Does Theta organization certainly have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Theta organization explicitly has an exceptional by and large potential to arrive at new levels, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking especially. It basically is gauged that Theta will increment in esteem, which especially is genuinely huge, as per explicit specialists and business experts. Theta organization can commonly raise a ruckus around town the greatest cost of $6.12 till 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Is Theta organization most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a very significant manner? Theta network. S incentive generally is supposed to